2019 is about to end, and it's not gonna be just the end of a year, it's gonna be an end of a decade, and we are stepping into a new decade. We have seen all the flagships of 2019 and some teasers of what we're gonna see in the near future. So these are all the upcoming smartphone tech we are gonna see soon. In 2019, we have seen a lot of foldable tech, the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which you can buy right now, and also the newly released Moto Razr, which had really good first impressions, and it's gonna go on sale in the early 2020. As you guys know, when the Samsung Galaxy Fold was released in April, it had a lot of issues and Samsung had to cancel the release, but Samsung did release the Galaxy Fold again in September after some improvements. But one problem with the new Galaxy Fold was it still had the grease in the middle. But if you see the new Moto Razr with its new hinge mechanism, we have a solution for the grease problem. Just like that, in 2020, we are gonna see a lot of improvements to the foldable smartphones. Other than foldable smartphones, we might see smartphones with new form factors, just like the Mi Mix Alpha with its waterfall display, or this crazy slider iPhone concept. Well, this concept does look really cool, but Apple probably isn't gonna do this in the next year. Another great tech coming in 2020 is under-display cameras. As you know, smartphone manufacturers have struggled to achieve the full screen displays. To hide the front camera, we had solutions like the slider mechanism, but it isn't that reliable. And Xiaomi and Oppo had already teased smartphones with under-display cameras, which are rumored to launch in 2020. Next is super fast charging. In 2019, we have seen phones which support 65-watt fast charging. Yes, it sounds crazy, but the Oppo Reno Ace, which has the Oppo's new SuperVOX 2.0 technology that can charge a phone at 65 watts. The phone is capable to charge from 0 to 100 in just 30 minutes. But in 2020, things are gonna go even crazier, as Xiaomi has already teased its 100-watt supercharged turbo, which is rumored to launch on a smartphone in 2020. Last but not least is 5G. There are already 5G smartphones out there, but in 2020, we are going to see lots of other manufacturers jump in. Companies like Xiaomi, Realme, and also Apple is rumored to launch their first 5G iPhone in September 2020. But the most exciting thing about 5G next year is that there are going to be lots of affordable 5G smartphones, as every 5G smartphone right now are really expensive. But companies like Xiaomi and Realme have already teased their 5G smartphone and also rumored to launch it in the early 2020, which are going to be far cheaper than the current 5G smartphones. That's it guys. Before I end this video, I just want to say, I know the production quality of this video wasn't that great, but I'm someone who's really passionate about making tech videos and I would really like your support. Just subscribe to the channel, that's it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.